Hawaii News Now at 10.
I believe that what is best for everyone at this stage would be for the chief to step down and to be temporarily reassigned until this problem or issue is resolved.
There's been no indictment yet. There's speculation of an indictment, but no indictment.
Honolulu's mayor says he is not taking any action against the police chief at this time.
But the pressure is growing now that the attorney for the chief and his prosecutor wife acknowledges an indictment is likely. Tonight, new information on the FBI corruption probe. We've learned one of the chief's own officers has emerged as a key witness in the investigation.
As Lynn Kawano explains, the officer may have a personal reason to testify against the powerful couple.
He is the man in the middle of the FBI's case, a police officer who was not only present when the FBI believes crimes were committed, but was also involved in a nasty divorce with a Kealohas relative.
This is Officer Bobby Wynn arriving at federal court for one of several grand jury appearances in the federal case against Police Chief Louis Kealohas and his wife Catherine, head of the prosecuting attorney's career criminal unit. Wynn is the center of a tangled web involving the Kealohas. He married Catherine's niece, Maile Wynn, also a police officer. That marriage thrust him into the bitter financial fight between the Kealohas and other relatives, the Puanas. We've learned Bobby was involved in key moments of the dispute. On January 27, 2011, Wynn was at the Puanas' Wilhelmina Rise home when sources say Catherine Kealohas went inside and took items, including cash. The federal grand jury will decide if this could constitute an illegal search and seizure. Then, 2 years later, on June 21, 2013, the Kealohas reported that their mailbox was stolen. The Wynns were living on the Kealohas Kahala property, and it was Bobby Wynn who was the first to tell investigators that the man in the grainy surveillance video was Gerard Puana. All the charges against Puana were eventually dropped, but the case triggered the FBI's investigation into whether the mailbox theft was staged to discredit the Puanas in the civil trial over the family money. As both the mailbox case and the financial dispute headed into court, so did the Wynns' marriage during a bitter divorce battle. Bobby's wife filed temporary restraining orders. In one, she claims that he had been uncooperative regarding my family's lawsuit and writes, "I was afraid to speak up because he wouldn't show up for court proceedings." She also says that he was the only witness to positively identify Puana as the mailbox thief. Wynn's multiple grand jury appearances and his proximity to many of the questionable events makes him a very important witness.
If he's gone before the grand jury on numerous occasions, clearly they need him and they want information from him. He obviously has it. Otherwise, they wouldn't call him that many times.
And there's yet another connection. One of his lawyers was this man, Jake Delaplane. He was part of the prosecuting attorney's team on the controversial failed crackdown on gaming machines. His partner on that case, Catherine Kealohas. Delaplane would not comment on his appearance at federal court, but he is representing other grand jury witnesses, too.
We did reach out to Officer Bobby Wynn for comment. He declined. We have also reached out numerous times to the Kealohas for comment on the federal investigation. They have always declined to answer any of my questions. I'm Lynn Kawano, Hawaii News Now.